are back, and we are going to make my personal favorite, banana boats. You need a banana for a banana boat, and what you're going to do is, doesn't take much, you're just going to cut down one line of the banana. So once you cut your banana, you get to stuff it with whatever you want. So I've got some chocolate chips, some peanut butter chips, a couple of Milk Duds, and marshmallows. And it's gonna get kind of lumpy and weird, but that's okay. So have you ever made this one?
No, I have not.
Whoa.
I am learning all about some s'more ways to make some s'mores. Hey, so funny.
That was a good one.
Just like all of you. No, a lot of you probably know, but that's okay.
I really like how when bananas get warm, they caramelize. That's what makes them my favorite.
You know what I like, Miss Michelle?
What?
Ringing and banana phones.
Ring, ring, ring,
Ring, ring, ring, ring.
ring.
Banana phone. Doo doo. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding.
Banana
Banana phone. I hope you all sing along.
And if you don't know what that is, YouTube banana phone. You're welcome.
We're also showing our age here, folks.
When you're ready,
Why are you that much?
mine's quite full. You're gonna wrap it in foil, and similar to the campfire cones. Put it in the holes. Let all the insides get ooey gooey and delicious.
Oh, good. I was thinking.
Yeah. Here's our delicious banana boat. These are my favorite. Nice and melty. I'm excited to enjoy this one.